Hello, myself Kinjal Patel. Welcome to my channel Basic of Mathematics. Today our topic is Introductions of Trigonometry and our first topic is Trigonometric Ratios. First we understand what is the trigonometric ratios. Trigonometry is applicable only in a right angle triangle, and in this right angle triangle ABC, this is a right angle, that means 90 degree, and we all know 90's opposite side is called hypotenuse. Now suppose I take this is angle C as a theta, so this is called adjacent side of theta, and this is called opposite side of theta. First trigonometry ratio is sin theta. So sin theta defined by this way. Sin theta is equal to opposite side of theta upon hypotenuse. In particular, this figure, opposite side of theta is AB. So you can write sin theta is equal to AB upon hypotenuse is AC. So you should be right here AC. Second is cos theta. So cos theta is adjacent side of theta upon hypotenuse. So this is your theta and this is adjacent side of theta. Adjacent, that means near sides. So adjacent sides of theta is BC. In particular, this figure BC, and hypotenuse is AC. Your third is tan theta. So tan theta is ratio of these two. So whenever you take ratio of these two, hypo cancel. So your formula become opposite side of theta upon adjacent side of theta. In particular, this figure, opposite side is AB and adjacent side is BC. Now other trigonometric ratios are inverse of sine is cosec theta. Cos theta's inverse is sec theta, and tan theta's inverse is cot theta. So you can give its name 4, 5 and 6. How we can define? Cosec theta is inverse of sine theta, that means reverse. So you can write here hypotenuse upon opposite side of theta. So its formula become AC upon AB. Sec theta is the inverse of cos theta. So you can write hypotenuse upon adjacent side of theta. So it become AC upon BC. Cot theta is inverse of tan theta. So you can write adjacent side of theta upon opposite side of theta. In this figure, BC upon AB. So you can remember just sine, cos and tan. And cosec is the inverse of sine, sec is the inverse of cos, and cot is the inverse of tan. Second, let us consider one example based on these trigonometric ratios. Given that tan A is equal to 4 by 3. Find the other trigonometric ratios. Total you have trigonometric ratios are 6. Among these 6, one of them is given. Here tan A is equal to 4 by 3 is given. So first we draw figure corresponding to a given thing. So I draw figure here. A, B and C. So this is my A. So what is given here? This is right angle. Here tan A is equal equal to 4 by 3. So what is tan A? Tan A, that means which formula you can apply this? Opposite side upon adjacent side of given theta. Here theta is A. So you can write opposite side of A upon adjacent side of A is equal to 4 by 3. If you remove ratio, then put some constant. So you can write here opposite side. What is the opposite sides of A? This is called opposite side of A, and this is adjacent side of A, and this is hypotenuse. So you can write in this figure BC upon AB is equal to 4 by 3. Now remove this ratio. So your BC is equal to 4K and AB is equal to 3K according to our ratio rules. K is constant. You can take any variable instead of K. Now your BC measurement is 4K. Your AB measurement is 3K. And this is right angle triangle. So we know two sides among these. So by Pythagoras theorem you can find other remaining side. So write by Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem statement? Hypotenuse square is equal to sum of squares of other two sides. So in this figure AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square you want to find, AB's value are 3K, so write 3K square, this is the 4K, so write here 4K square. So AC square is 9K square plus 16K square. So your AC square is equal to 25K square. You want to find AC, so take here square root, 25K square. So your AC is 25, square root is 5, K square root is K. So now you got measurement of AC is 5K. After getting three sides of given right angle triangle, apply this trigonometric ratios formula and find out other ratios. Now I apply here this all formula. So your first is sin theta. So what is sin A? Because our theta is in this question A. So sin A formula you can write here opposite side of A upon hypotenuse. What is the opposite side of A? It is 4K. What is the hypotenuse? It is 5K. KK will be cancelled, so your answer is 4 by 5. Similarly, you can find out cosec theta. Here A, cosec A, because cosec A is the inverse of sin A. So you can write cosec A is equal to hypotenuse upon opposite side of A. So it is 5K upon 4K. KK will be cancelled, so it is 5 by 4. This is second, give its name. Third is cos theta. So cos theta is adjacent side of A. Here A, not a theta. A upon hypotenuse. So what is adjacent side of A? Here AB. And its measurement is 3K. So you can write 3K upon, what is your hypotenuse? 5K. KK will be cancelled, so 3 by 5. After finding cos theta, find its inverse is sec A. So sec A is equal to hypotenuse upon adjacent side of A. So what is your hypotenuse? 5K. Adjacent side is 3K. KK will be cancelled, so this is 5 upon 3. Fifth trigonometric ratios is tan A is already given here. So you want to find here cot A. So cot A is a inverse process of tan. So you can write adjacent side of A upon opposite side of A. So cot 8. What is the adjacent side? This is 3k. What is opposite side? It is 4k. K will be cancelled, so you can write 3 by 4. Similarly, you can find out any other trigonometric ratios by given trigonometric ratios. If you really like my channel, please share and subscribe it. Thank you.